I work with like say 2, 3 large clients. Okay. So one of them was a company called the Dalmia Cement. They launched a new type of a retail stores called Info Stores in NCR. Sorry. Dalmia Cement launched a retail stores for building materials. Okay. Building material called Hippo stores. They are large stores of almost 40,000 square feet. Okay. And they also have a people feet on street who go to the market and generate the orders from the builders and interior decorators, etc. And their backend was SAP, and they also had a lot of other lead generation systems and all that. So we were, and plus there was a call center to service the customer, kind of say, the contractors' requests, okay, which are more of a delivery, logistics, scheduling, etc. So this entire thing we went about was like a number one is we talk to the customer or reach the customer 6 months before launch of their business. Okay. So before the CEO of the company joined the company, we were in the account. And then we work with them. We work with every team member who joined their team. Okay. So that it was important to onboard them and bring them on, like say, on the same page with a lot of baton passing happening between various teams. But we started with IT team, then we have to work with their sales team, then we have to work with their CRM team, and so on. Because their org structure also got evolved over a period of time. Okay. So it has been very successful, lot of integrations and newer requirements coming up continuously. The second company has been one Nashik-based company called Sahyadri Agro, which is a farmer producer organization. So they have a retail stores as well as an e-commerce business where they deliver fruits and vegetables in Nashik, Pune and Mumbai. So what we did was to support their e-commerce business, which was launched during the pandemic last May, and I was also advising them on their supply chain and the e-commerce thing. So we launched. So first we launched the e-commerce, and then naturally the support issues came in. Customer will say, I didn't get this particular SKU or there's some delivery issues and or there are some problems with the particular food or vegetable, etc. So earlier all that was happening over WhatsApp and all that. So we basically generated the requirement. There was a lot of competition because the client was saying which CRM, for example, big basket uses, which CRM Flipkart uses, which CRM this uses, because their role model was the large e-commerce companies. And actually, with clients let me attend also the beauty period with all the big vendors. Okay. And I was able to tell the client that what kind of a CRM you need and what functionality you need clearly, and why these solutions, though they are great, why they will not fit you and your culture. Okay. And this word culture was very important. Okay. And ultimately, the way we work with them, the way we kind of say had a patience to give them a multiple demos, because again multiple stakeholders. What we heard about 6.8, we might have talked to the more than 15 people in the organization, okay, across the department, across the location, and finally the solution got deployed. They are very happy. We are taking the e-commerce orders into Enjay CRM and then providing the customer service. Okay, order by order, delivery by delivery. Okay. And good thing is customer was able to actually come up with another requirement for their wholesale business. So that is a reflection of the customer's happiness about the product. So there is a repeat order from the same account. Okay. The third customer has been one IT services company which provides store IT support on only the basis to the lot of quick service restaurants like the Burger King or the Pizza Hut and so on. So they have a lot of engineers in the field, and then host this ticket managing along with reporting, etc. So we are, I think, currently supporting almost 50 or 60 field engineers, but that number will shortly go up to almost 200 plus, because this particular company they are sign up for customers like a Shopper Stop and few others. Okay. So again, there also the way we work with them, their requirements of the MIS, the ticketing, or lot of things were configuration, somewhere customization, engineers attendance, all that. Okay. So these are the, I think, very closely working with the customer requirements, assessing, we address their pain points very well. Good thing was I was very happy because I am a one-man show. Okay, I don't have any employee in my company. Okay. It's a good thing or bad thing, I don't know. But at the same time, for me, managing the account that becomes important. At the same time, I cannot put too much of a time on doing that. While working with the NJ team, I think the pleasure comes in the very seamless baton passing and the keeping oneself in the loop while delivering and the post delivery of the solution. Okay. So it has been a really pleasure to work with NJ on these projects, and I have got a few large assignments in pipeline right now. I hope to close them very soon. Thank you very much.